TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday, final hour of the trading week. And boy, what a market we got today. We got the S&Ps up 30 points right now, trading at 42.24. We get the jobs number this morning at 8:30, 266,000 jobs added for the month of April. The expectation was 1 million. Talk about a miss. Markets accelerate higher. We get lower yields, but we've had some oscillation in both ways. S&Ps within about 10 points of the highs we got at about noon Eastern Time. NASDAQ 100 accelerates higher at 8:30. We open almost at a level of 13,675. We accelerate back up to 13,800. We're in the middle of the range now at 13,724. The Dow with continued strength across the board. The Dow actually drops on the jobs number this morning to 34,400. Since then, though, we're up about 270 points right out of the gate. The Dow accelerates higher at 9:30 this morning, trading at 34,678 within 10 points. The highs we made at about 2:30 this afternoon, and the Russell with strength as well. Russell up 28 points or 1.2%. Bitcoin catching a bid. Bitcoin up almost $2,000 at 58,075 right now. You've got crude up 10 pennies at 64.80. Gold catches a bid this morning, gives back some of the gains briefly. Gold at 18.31. You got silver up 6 cents at 27.54. And notes and bonds. Talk about a move, folks. The 10-year, 133.16 was the spike higher this morning. We've given almost all of it back. 132.24 right now on the 10-year. We traded. I mean, look at that one spike right at 8:30, and we give it practically all back. We're within about a few ticks of where we were prior to that number. We've just been chopping around since about 12:30 this afternoon. We'll jump over to the volatility index, and we get the VIX up to 1850 on the open, but this market charges higher, and the VIX flirting with a possible 16 handle coming into the weekend. All right, what else we got happening? We'll talk about it as we come back for the program. I'm going to be filling in for Tom. 266,000 jobs. The expectation was for 1 million. That's for April as we move forward to May, June, and July through the summer months. We'll see where the market goes. Checking back on the S&Ps right now. You put this thing on, you see the trend line at the top of that level right now. A 3-year weekly, not to mention, meant to do it on the daily there. How about that defined line? And guess what, folks? That is an uptrend channel, and the S&P just continues to touch the top end of that channel line, bumping up against that level yet again. 42.32 all-time highs in the S&P. We got all-time highs in the Dow today, breaking away from its trend channel line. Stay tuned, folks. We come back for the full hour.